In this video, let's talk about why do you need to install Prado wheel spacers with half century.
As long as you use quality Toyota Prado wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. Prado wheel spacers make no difference as wheel with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they will strain elastically to keep everything in the right place. If they are torqued properly, they will never come off. According to the mechanical structure of wheels, half-century wheel spacers are better than like-century ones. Besides, Prado half-century wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. If you are worrying about how to choose the suitable off-road wheel spacers for your Prado, you can consider BONOSS. BONOSS off-road Prado wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even facing in part, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. BONOSS forged active cooling Toyota Prado wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the Prado wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.